Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm basically doing like a brunch. It's a casserole with some beef, ground beef, potatoes, cheese, cornbread, and then I did like a egg on the top of it. You see how it is? And I got an avocado. So I'm gonna actually do a thumbnail before we start anything. And I have a sparkling classic lemonade. Okay. Let me do the thumbnail first. Try it first. I guess that's good enough, you guys. I'm going to do a prayer, and then we can start off. Amen. And amen again. Y'all, it's been a couple days since I've been on. I've been in another world, but I'm here, y'all. I'm here. I'm here now. That's all that matters. I'm here now. I'm about to give you all the first bite. Oh, and I have spinach in this. Can't pick the spinach. Try to do something a little healthy. Let me see if you can see the spinach in it. It's so good, like, Yep. Everything's well seasoned. Everything is so tasty. Like, I have the eggs where it's actually like a little, like, drainage. You know how the eggs just leak a little bit, like a sunny side. That's how I do my eggs. Here, we got some more. A piece of avocado. And you could actually put some ketchup on this because it's like a breakfast. But you know how you have breakfast with potatoes, you have a side of meat, you have cheese, your eggs. Only thing is I added Jiffy cornbread. Oh my goodness, this thing, and it is amazing. Like, something different. Something different. I actually made this like for the dinner last night without the eggs, and they was eating it and killing it. Like, it was something different that I made. But it's a casserole. You can eat it whenever. Drop my stuff. I started getting on to the video of how I made it. I'm gonna do that another time. Let me open this. I'm not gonna pour it in the cup today. I'm gonna open it up, my straw, and sip it. Oh, it's so good. Now my daughter, when she ate last night, right? She didn't have the eggs or whatever because, of course, it was dinner. So she put hers with sour cream. She put that on it, and she loved it. My son just ate it. He ate like a couple plates of it. Today, my husband, he the one that told me, oh, it should be in the breakfast because he ate it last night. But all he kept talking about is we should do a breakfast with it too. And add the eggs. And he was like, it's basically a breakfast. He was right. So I'm making it a brunch. And this is what I was going to do at first. It's so good, y'all. I was actually looking up like casserole, different stuff that I should make. And I saw many things where I should make it. But then I just started thinking of putting stuff into my own way. Like, oh, maybe if I do it like this, it'd be good. And I just... came up with my own thing. So this would definitely be one of our meals. I don't know, I was trying to make it little, add some kind of vegetable, at least some kind. So I added the spinach. To it last night. And as I made it today, like warmed it up today, I cooked the egg and add avocado. So I don't know what I'm missing. I could actually still put ketchup on this because this is like a breakfast. Like they're doing little diners. I'll give y'all some with the egg on it. Let y'all taste it with the eggs on it. I'm dropping them. And the avocado on the top. Here you go. Here you go, guys. Excuse me a second. I caught it though. So good. Now I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit heavy. It will definitely put you down afterwards. Because of the cornbread, the potatoes, the beef. That's so good. It's so good. Me and my family decided we're gonna have like a, excuse the noise in the background, they're riding through with machines where they actually do work up the street, like for the nurseries. But anyway, we were planning on doing this thing where all the family members cook together. Alright, well, all the families actually cook together. Everybody in our family, they cook together. Bring a dish to somebody's house every other Sunday. And I know I'm gonna bring this dish one Sunday. Now that I added something new to my list. This is definitely going on the menu. I'm gonna show you how I look on this side. I'm definitely killing it. Look. But it's good, y'all. Don't sleep on it. I'm actually gonna try a lot of new dishes coming up. I'll be ready to eat. You know, I don't want the videos to be too long, but I want y'all to get the full experience. How it actually tastes from the beginning to the end. So good, y'all. So good. I ain't been sharing. Let me share with y'all some more. I'll zoom in. Hold on. Y'all, Christmas almost here. Y'all do all y'all Christmas shopping? Cause I'm always last minute. Always. Sometimes after Christmas, but it happens. It's life. Here you go. Trying to be fancy. Drop the whole everything. Trying to be fancy. And make a mountaintop. And look what happened. I'm gonna make another one because it ain't even over. Yep. That's what we do here. Can't give up. Giving up is not an option. Not on this here channel. Nope. Not an option. See, the birds even understand. Look. They're telling us not to give up. They said nope. Nope, nope, nope. Y'all see, I done built a bigger one now. Now I just got crazy. See, when I put it closer, it's going to start acting up like it want to fall, but I'm not going to put it too close. Y'all, my lighting had went out. That's why I started looking a little darker. But we're back now. Back in action. Yeah, I can taste the potatoes in there. Everything. Everything. And I use the mild cheddar cheese. Avocado. That one. feel like this video a little long, but I'm gonna cut it a little short. Y'all still didn't make the sauce that I really want to make that I ordered. And I had to tag guests over here. I don't know if it's because I was supposed to make it for my daughter and she haven't been here. She's been away. But I'm definitely going to make it. I promise y'all a Reese Cup game. Look. That's how good it is. I promise y'all, this might put me down right afterwards. I'm not trying, but that might be what happens, guys. It might just happen. I think it's the cornbread and the potatoes. Woo! Y'all, I'm so full. I'm actually about to end this video. I just wanted to eat this with y'all real quick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification button so you will know when the next video upload. Until next time, see ya.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.